are fucking feds everywhere, bro. So we have to meet. Got some cool footage. Get my seatbelt. This thing has flat seatbelts. So we're going to Beacon Field Service next. Just gonna convoy and cruise, and I'm just gonna capture anything that goes on. So hopefully something interesting happen. If not, I'm probably just gonna use this as some like fucking TikTok edit. So cruise down here is pretty cool. I mean, I was kind of afraid winter, like, oh, going to like a nighttime it could be kind of shit. But honestly, like, this shit kind of a vibe for real. Like, it's just so like quiet and going places like there's no fucking traffic. Like, bro, I mean, it's not the same level obviously, but like, for example, when I went to Jap Fest and shit, bro, the fucking like amount of backlog on the highway was insane. That guy's leaving. In the Indominus Teg. I don't know. I'm actually excited, to be fair. I'm like, for me, like, one thing the reason why I don't go to too many car shows is like, I kind of get bored just walking around for like a bit. Like for example, even here, I was kind of getting a bit bored after half an hour, because like, at least for like shows like this size, you kind of see everything within that time. So like, you kind of like get bored. You kind of get bored. At least I do. I'm not saying everyone does. I do at least. But the thing I like about this show is like, it's actually moving. You know, it's a convoy, so you know, you get a bit of you get a change of pace. That guy has dual tips. It's only coming with one exhaust, is condensation. That's the thing as well. It's condensation season now. I hate it, bro. I fucking start my car up in the morning. It's a plume. There's a plume of steam. Plume. Shit. Let me check my WhatsApp. So yeah. Okay. What do you guys have a Honda behind me? Nah, I'm joking. Save the ore for the highway. Cheeky rev. Some people are leaving a bit early, so I don't know what's going on with that. Are we going or are we not? Like, fuck, man. Let's go. Okay, I guess we're going. Okay, it's kicking off. The Tegua. What? The Integra. Keep calling it Tegua. Shit, are we in gridlock? Bro, I have no idea what's going on right now. Should I let the GCA Impreza go through? Should I let Bunta go through? I'll let it go through. It's a balancing act. God damn. Forget how fucking tiny my car is, bro. What? Why does fucking WRX look like a fucking monster truck compared to me, bro? Shit. About to be crushed. Yeah, my shit's still recording, nigga. It's officially midnight. It is the 16th of November, I think. I'm losing track of days. We're gonna get going or not? What about the fucking nightmare pulling into the next station? Cause we're going to Beaconsfield. And we're also going to M40, which is I mean, if you know, you know about the M40. That's all I'm gonna say. Bit of hijinks. We get a bit silly on the M40. We get a bit mischievous. We get a bit you know, a bit quirked up. Catch up. Nick, dude said in the group chat, catch up, bro. I'm trying. Look at the situation I'm in, bro. You're gonna let me go through? No. Come on, just let me go through. I'm sorry. I hate doing that. You have to kind of force your way in. Oh, Soar. Those are really fucking underrated. But seeing that Sylvia, I need to get Underglow, bro.
I'll have to come back and check out the others on my own time.
Yes, Sonic, sir. But no, those Soars are cool, you know. They have fucking 2 JZs in them. Like, literally, those Soars are like a fucking fancier Supra. Yeah. The shame it's raining though. It's a bit slippery, so I'm gonna take it easy on my throttle foot. driving the tunnel. Yep. Tonight's the night. Let's see what we got. We got a Soarer, we got a random, got a Honda Civic, and so an S15. I don't know. I'm not good with mass chassis. I know it's a Nissan. Oh, we got rollers. We got a camera car. Gotta add nonchalant, man. Gotta add nonchalant. Bro, yeah, it's not a good night to lay down power. Okay, looks like we got out of the rainstorm. Distracted easily. God damn, so many Z's. So many fucking Z's. You know, speaking at you, yeah, I've been noticing all my fucking homies been getting fucking Z's lately. I feel left out. Like I know 3 people got a Z in the last like 2 months. What's up with that? Deep, bro. Okay, I probably got like 12 of us in a pack right now. GG, bro. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I got to look at the plate. It looks pretty cool though. Yeah, but I need to do more mods in my car, man. Like, bro, like I gotta been getting kind of stale. I need to get a new boost gauge. I want one that's a bit more fancier. So new fancy boost gauge. What else? I want a fancier boost gauge, and I want, I don't know, something else. I kind of just want to do it my interior, I guess. I always want to get a new steering wheel. But main thing I want to get this winter though is a hard top, because like it's kind of starting to leak in the moisture. Like I'm a soft top, unfortunately, and like I'd rather just spend the money on a hard top. That guy's going for it. Hard top and new wheels for sure. Because since obviously up my power, it'd be nice to have a bit more grip for security. I definitely also want to get LSD for next summer. But the problem is when I moved to like a new, well, my family moved to like a new place, and it has like a strict like no work in your car things. I can't jack in my car now, so I need to find like a garage to rent out. It's be a bit sticky, but I'll figure out. I want to put my foot down, but we're on N25. There's so many cameras, and it's also fucking wet as shit. Like this haven't been in the summer yet. This would have been fucking goated. But in the winter, it's kind of fucking shit. Not the meat itself, I just mean the driving conditions. The thing about this thing being so loud, I don't have to bring like a microphone all the time, because like you can just hear it in the fucking GoPro audio. What you're hearing right now is what I'm hearing. Like, that's how loud it is for me. It does get unbearable, but like that's only like if I'm on throttle. Like right now, I'm off throttle, that's okay. But if I'm on throttle, then yeah, it gets a bit unbearable. Yeah, it's fucking boring, jeez. Oh, to be fair, I need to get a fucking new washer bottle for my windscreen, man. I have people asking, yo, where's your washer bottle? Where's the windscreen washer fluid? I just tell you, yeah, it's not there, bro. I fucking deleted it. I mean, I could have put it in the corner, but I didn't like the way it looks. So I just like, I'm just gonna leave it for now. I can get like a kit off Amazon. Or not a kit, but like, I have an idea to make a kit. So I'm gonna do that. I don't know, we got Toyota, we got Mitsubishi, and we got a random Ford. Okay, now it's proper dry. I hope this time it is. Yeah, okay, it's a lot less sweat. Yeah, the build's kind of just taking a break, I guess, this winter, because I can't really like take advantage of doing any extra mods, I guess. Like if I put more boost into it, I'm like, okay, we can go a bit faster on the on-ramp on the highway, but that's it because it's so slippery outside. Like honestly, like one thing I'm gonna say, bro, to anyone watching this that has a car and like does like driving and shit like me, bro, take it fucking easy, man. Take it easy. Because like one, I'm saying this from my personal story, personal like experience. Because last year, like this time last year, I fucking crashed my MR2 because I was doing dumb shit in weather that was not permitting dumb shit. Sorry, I just got mesmerized by Integra. But yeah, I fucking crashed my MR2 last year, and then like one of my mates lately, like, he fucking binned one of his cars, and I felt bad for him, but also I was telling him like, bro, like you gotta be careful, man, because like, he was like, oh, the car like slipped underneath me and shit. And, like I get it, because that literally happened to me, but at the same time, like, just don't put yourself in a situation where that's like a potential risk. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. I got distracted.
Yeah, shawty popped out trippin', 4-5 with the sweet. Goofy ballin', hit the Muslim with the coolin' key.
If I catch on, I slap me with the blick. Push the ball, we in the SRT.
I kind of feel silly for admitting this, but I'm actually really nervous. This is my first
We're
time.
gonna cry!
You wreck the whip 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. You still go. You wreck.
Shells, 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 shells.
Mask on my face when we running your place, and we need every combination to the safe. And then if you corroborate, everyone say got a Spanish.